Hey, welcome back. We're gonna be installing the fenders. They're gonna be welded on this, and then you can see the trailer. I already started painting it. I mean, it looks way better off the bat. You can tell right away. You know, like I still gotta touch up on some places some more. I'm gonna show you guys now a fender where I already kind of not installed, but I kind of just preset, and I kind of painted it. I couldn't wait. I wanted to paint it just to see like how the trailer's coming out, you know. And then I also I painted one of the rims, and I couldn't wait. I bought the paint yesterday, everything, and I don't know. I just couldn't wait for like the next time I got around to all that, you know. All right, so to put this one on, I'm gonna do the same thing as the other one. I measured. I'm gonna use these clamps. Use this one here. What I did, I measured 6 from this to the bottom of the rail right here, on both sides right here. So I just put 6 and 6, and then I just clamped it down right here. Yesterday, Bentley helped me out on one side, but let's see if I can do it myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack that side just so I don't move like at all, and then I need to drop this one a little bit. Even though I have the clamp, I don't wanna do it because it can move. Like a clamp can move, so I'm just gonna tack it. So right here I'm at like 5 3/4. So I'm gonna drop that. So I'm done putting both fenders. I just finished this one up right now. It looks pretty good. I mean, my welds kind of suck because I'm learning how to weld. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna paint the wheels now, since I started that one. Eventually, if I end up keeping the trailer, I am gonna put new wheels and tires. But for now, I am gonna paint them just so it can look better than that. On nasty, compared to this now, it looks way better. So I'm gonna do these 3. I got a notification from Amazon that I got some deliveries. This is this. I was supposed to deliver this tomorrow, but this is it. This is the box that goes in the front of the trailer. So this box is gonna go somewhere like right here, or like on the inside, and this is the one that's gonna go for the adapter on the truck. All the rims are painted now. I also went ahead and put this tape on. It looks freaking nice. The trailer's already looking way different. Look at that. I put on the rear. It looks more legit now, huh? All right, guys. So I just want to show you guys how the trailer came out. So I really like the way that the trailer came out. Now just the last thing is just the wood. That's the last thing that I need to do, but you guys know already the wood's pretty expensive. I don't know, it's gonna be, I kind of made an estimate, it's gonna be around, I don't know, maybe like 200. And it's pretty simple. You guys already know how that works. Basically gonna slide in here first, and then I'll just sit on the other side, screw it onto this. That's pretty much it. The trailer looks almost like new. Like, dang, man, that's a big difference. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next videos. Peace.